In today's video, I am going to teach you how to deactivate SOS Only on iPhone. If you are seeing SOS Only in the status bar, it means your iPhone can't connect to your carrier's network. But it can still place emergency calls through any available network. The fixes we will try go from quickest to more involved, and I will explain why each one helps so you know exactly what's happening. First, refresh your connection with airplane mode. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Or swipe up from the bottom if your iPhone has a home button. Tap the airplane icon so it turns orange. This cuts all wireless radios off at once, forcing a clean reconnect. Wait about 15 seconds to let everything fully disengage. Then tap the icon again to turn airplane mode off. Watch the status bar to see if your carrier name and signal bars return. If that didn't clear it, restart your iPhone. A normal reboot flushes minor software glitches that can affect the cellular modem. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Drag the slider to power off completely. Give it a good 30 seconds so the hardware fully resets, then press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. When it boots, check whether SOS Only is gone. Next, confirm your cellular line is enabled, especially if you use an eSIM or dual SIM. Open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Service. Under the SIMs section, select your primary phone number and make sure Turn on this line is green. If you are traveling abroad, turn on data roaming in this same menu so your phone can connect to partner networks while you are away. Keep in mind, roaming may involve extra charges depending on your plan. Now, check for carrier settings updates. These small updates fine-tune how your iPhone talks to your provider. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, then go to Settings. General, leave this screen open for about 15 seconds. If an update is available, you will see a prompt. Tap Update and let it finish. If nothing has worked so far, reset your network settings to clear corrupted connection data. Go to Settings. General, then scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After it comes back on, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices. But your photos and apps remain untouched. That's it. Thanks for watching.